Gender. Sociolinguistics study the relationship between language and society. They are interested in explaining why we speak differently in different social contexts, and they concern with identifying the social function of language and the way it used to convey social meaning. In setting out a list of what she calls sociolinguistic universal tendencies, Holmes 1998 does offer some disputable claims. There are 5 of these. First, women and men develop different patterns of language use. Second, women tend to focus on the affective function of an interaction more often than men do. Third, women tend to use linguistic devices that stress solidarity more often than men do. Fourth, women tend to interact in ways which will maintain and increase solidarity, while especially in formal contexts, men tend to interact in ways which will maintain and increase their power and status. 5. Women are stylistically more flexible than men. Different people, different gender, different social status, different environment, and different social class would have different point of view in using social media. There are some people who have different point of view will have different language. Education people will have good point of view and they will have good language. The application of linguistics in society depends on the society itself. Although the same gender, age, and social status, they would be applied the language in different ways. Society has their own characteristic as the identity. Next, I will explain about gender in social media, Instagram. Gender patterns on sociolinguistics perspective, especially in Instagram, can be concluded as follows. First, women use general language when made caption. Second, women share more moment, picture, caption, and video. Third, women usually post cute pictures, meanwhile men share photo as self-promoting. Fourth, women share anything including private matters like family, love, friendship, sadness, happiness, anxiety. So, social media Instagram seems like their diary blog that contain their activity, their moment, and their feelings, but men more likely share anything that relates to external contents. It seems that men use social media Instagram like a filter blog, which means that they filter the photo, caption, and videos that will be shared. 5. Female use informative language, men use involvement language. 6. Female use general, implicit, contextual language, meanwhile men use direct, explicit, specific language. 7. Female short caption photos which contain commercial, domestic product, accessories, fashion, meanwhile male more focus on cars, business, product, or investment. Female more likely to share personal information than male. 8. Female shared more about personal life, more vocal, expressive, and willing to share. In contrast, using Instagram, didn't share information but to gather information. 9. Female were more interpersonally oriented ways, men individually oriented ways. Next, the factors influence in language use. Language and society cannot spare each other. Where there is language, there must be society. Among the society, there are differences that is used even in the same society, and some characteristics. First, an audience is active and goal-oriented in their media consumption. Second, media are used for gratification. Third, media are in competition with other means of need satisfaction. Fourth, people understand their personal media use, interest, and motive enough to communicate with research about their choice. 5. The audience members are the only people who can make judgment regarding the value of the media content.